safety and security announcement. Please take care to experience and preserving on and off trains as underfoot surfaces may be affected by the weather.
Hello again, and welcome back to our workshops. Some of you, the last workshop we did was to do the Great Western Railcar to double the pickups on the dummy bogie. And I said any of the Lima models that had that clip and pin that you could do it with. Well, I regret to say I've been wrong in that. The Great Western Railcar is fine, it runs perfectly, there's not a problem with it. I did the Deltic, and that's where the problem started, because what I forgot was the Deltic has smaller wheels. Therefore the locomotive sits lower, and the vero board underneath, when it gets to the points, it hits the blades, and it also hits the frog and the check rails. So I've not given up on it. I've had to think again on how to sort that out, and once I have found a way of doing it, I was thinking, instead of using vero board, maybe if I could get a hold of some very thin copper strip and just glue it onto the base. The same principle, but a lot thinner, but enough to be able to carry the power. So I just thought I'd update you on that. So as I said in the original workshop that I'd never done this before. I didn't know whether it was going to work, or and I put out the video without testing it. I mean, it worked with the battery, as you saw, but I wasn't sure, and I should have tested it on the club's layout before I put the video out. When I did, that's when I discovered this problem. But I got the Great Western Railcar to run. It runs over the points, double slips, everything fine. I don't know if the Deltic's the only Lima model with the smaller wheels or not. That's a possibility as well. The rest of them is okay. The Class 20 is a totally different way of set up, so it's no required to have this. But the 26, the 27, the 33, I think they've all got bigger wheels, the same as the Great Western Railcar. But for some reason, I think I heard somebody say that the Lima Deltic's got HO wheels on it, which are slightly smaller. And that's the difference, because there's no so much height to lift the locomotive up so that the circuit board doesn't hit. Thanks again for watching. Keep on modelling, keep on shunting, and may God bless you.
Speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We will sort it, see it, say it, sorted.